This is the Korean War Memorial in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Let me see here inside. See. See. New Jersey Korean War Memorial. Let me down in here. Here we go. Here. Korean War Memorial. Welcome to New Jersey. Here. This is all the one that died in the war in Korea. See, a lot of people die here in the war. See, all of this die in the war.